So hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete search history and watch history on YouTube. So to delete your search and watch history on YouTube, it's pretty simple. When you go to your search bar, you can delete one by just swiping to the right actually, or long pressing it if you're using an Android. So you can delete it right there. So for deleting YouTube videos or watch history, you can just long press the three dots in the button and there you go, remove from watch history. So if you want to remove everything else, all you have to do is manage all history from there, and then you'll have to auto delete here. So you can just delete it right here, delete today, custom range, or delete all time. So there you go guys, just delete it right there and got it. So there you go guys, that is how you delete search and watch history on YouTube. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.